Today I'm going to show you how to install Tusk upper door bags on your Polaris RZR. This is something that's simple to do, should take you about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, starting out on the driver's side front door, we're going to remove 5 of the 6 screws that hold the door skin in place. So this upper right corner, that screw is going to stay in place. And if you have the Tusk aluminum lower door inserts, you're not going to remove this left lower corner screw. And we're just using a T25 Torx bit. Now with the door bag, you have all these eyelets. That's where your screws are going to go. But before we do anything with that, I want to clean the door frame off with a little bit of rubbing alcohol because we have these Velcro strips that are going to stick to the door frame. Next, I'm going to open up the pocket in the door bag, and we're going to go inside that pocket and install our first screw through this bottom left corner. But again, if you have those aluminum lower door inserts, you're going to skip this step and go to the next one. After that, we have the screw that's just beneath that door latch. You're going to have to pull the bag tight. And when you're going into plastic like this, just make sure you don't over tighten the screw. Next, you want to verify that the Velcro strips are lined up with one another. Once you've done that, you can remove that adhesive backing, and we're going to stick all of these strips onto the door frame. I'm going to start at the bottom and then just work my way up. Next, I'm going to install the upper rear screw. Then we have the 2 screws in the middle, and you want to make sure these are lined up correctly. It is going to be a tight fit, but that makes sure the bag stays tight to the door. Then you can see we have an eyelet just to the side on this bottom one that's more towards the back of the machine. If you have those Tusk aluminum door inserts, that's what you're going to use this eyelet for. Now I'm going to zip the bag up and do the same steps on the other side. That's it for the Tusk upper door bags on your Polaris RZR. If you have any questions about the process, leave those down in the comments. And if you need these bags, they're available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. This is a great way to get some extra storage space on your RZR. Now, if you want to see more helpful content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.